I'm packing orders today. And yeah. It's $20 or more, so I'll get 2. Oh my god. Oh, I have to order so much inventory. I'm running low on fucking my bags, and I got 1 lip mask left. This is outrageous. I can't. I just literally can't right now. And I have no more airheads. So.
On your package, the hair is up with
Perfect. We gotta get that before 4. What time is it?
4:06.
Okay, then I've gotta go literally right now.
Hair. It's just the hair, right?
Yeah, it's literally just hair.
I'm gonna pick something up to eat because I'm starving.
You should have been did that. He was talking about pizza and this and that.
Yeah, but I didn't know what you wanted, so.
I'll do whatever you want. I don't care. Besides whoop that. Put 3 different stickers in there. Oh my god. Once these literally can go back in there. So we have marijuana stickers. Because, you know, my brand is adult brand. Category for anime. And then my first and old character.
You need a truck here. I'll take the truck.
Good. Much easier. Because whole parking situation.
Yeah. Well, it's not even that. Just been sitting for so long.
Oh yeah, and when you order, you can get a special request for your stickers, you know? So like, you don't want any stickers besides the 3 category, you can go ahead and let me know that. No, I do not take my time to look what sticker you're getting. Sometimes I do, to be honest. I just got like 1 order and I'm just taking my sweet time with that 1 order. But yeah, I do. But any other time, no. And here's the stickers. That's milk in the background for my brand. So like I said, get 3 stickers and the lip mask. You only get the lip mask if your order is over $20. So I got those 3. I'm gonna go in a drawstring bag like this. So a business card, so you can give it to your friend. Only time I do business cards, well, I do business card always. I do always, even in a big package, even though they'll get the giant thank you business cards, and I do it in my 4x6 poly mailers. So there's that. And yeah, I don't think I really need to explain anything else. I just did that for, you know, the other small businesses. But anybody else who's not small business, no more explaining. Oh, and no, I'm not editing this. So. Okay. Allergies. I'm allergic to my cat, so. But we like animals, right? Okay, so first one, this is so cute. And then giant thank you card, carrot pin. So put the carrot pin in here. Poly mailer. They got the number on here. I just got weigh it. Hold on. I hold it in, so it technically wasn't a sneeze. Just letting you know. So I gotta weigh it, and I cannot wait to get the wrong words. I am so ready, because I am literally ready. I am so ready to get a label maker, like the shipping labels, because do you see how many packages I gotta package at a time? Like, dude, I'd be crazy if I didn't do one. I need to get one, but they're all expensive. So I look, you want to get a printer instead, because you know you can do a lot more with a printer. The printers are even more expensive because you have to do the paper and the ink. If I get a thermo roller label printer, I don't need all that. I only need the printer because it runs off a thermal, a heat. So and when I found out the hard way that when you weigh things, I have to weigh it on the floor. Because I weigh something like on a table or like on a counter, and girl, that thing be so effed up. And I always go higher. Always go higher on here because USPS be tripping. Like I owe this amount because like the weight was too low than what it really was. So it says 0.91. And then I weighed again, and it said 0.67 twice after that. I always do it three times, but I always go up. So I'm just gonna put 1 ounce. Just like this. And then I go to Office Depot and I get the label on there. Next. I literally have like most of these items. I don't know how business owners do not be having their own inventory. Like, how the else are you going to promote something when you're not able to get, you know, promoters or influencers? I was supposed to put this in the drawstring bag. Heck noise. Like, I don't know. And these things are so difficult. And I'm actually contemplating if I even want to buy some more lip masks, because I'm not doing Airhead Skin. I feel like that's too like cutesy dooty small business. Real brands do not give you candy in your order. Like it's not a thing. So I'm gonna take that away for sure. I'm taking away candy, but of course I want to give some type of goodies. That's why I'm paying for stickers. Stickers are not cheap. So I think I might keep doing a lip mask, but from my understanding, when I like kind of like first opened, I used to have the option that if you wanted it, because I know people do not use it, they waste it, you could add it in a cart. Like it's free, no charge, free shipping. Well, of course, you gotta order some different, it's the checkout to work. And people will order, they would not check out with it. Like, would not. So that's why I think I'm gonna probably stop. And I'm trying to think of something else I could put in here. I used to do lip gloss. Everybody liked the lip gloss. Everybody. Where I put this? Oh, there it is. Everybody liked the lip gloss. So I might do that again. Again, thing gets stuck in your hands. It's 120. Well, 1120. Sorry, not 120. 1120. Come on, scale. $183, $172, $165, $172. We're gonna do $190. I told you I'm not playing those games with the postal office. So 1.90 ounces. And last but of course very much not least, I need to put there, they have the last Airhead. Give it up to order number 1119. So 1119, you got my last Airhead, bruh. I know everybody's always so excited for the Airhead. Like that's the main thing. Like when they open the package and they do like a packaging, like unpacking reveal video, they always bring up the Airhead first. They be like, oh my god, look, she gave me Airheads. Like, what about the product? Are they even the stickers? That's why I'm like, do people like stickers? And come on, you see how hard it is to put this in here? It fits perfectly, but that's the problem, that it fits perfectly. You know, it's the same exact size. But what was I saying? Yeah, I did a poll on my business Instagram and I asked people if they liked the stickers and they said yes. So But yeah, you get 3 stickers, blood mask, candy. Girl, come on now. Come. Girl. And you get this onesie. I'm literally almost sold out. I only have, I think, small through 2XL left. So I might be restocking it. Might not. But look at the hang tag. It's me. Look at it. It's amazing. So yes. And then for the big things, to save money, I do not get giant poly mailers. That's branded. Flat rate. Fragile sticker. Branded sticker. Call it a day. Okay. I do. I'm not about to whisper. I got cat hair on the package. People be getting, like, people who don't order from you be getting so angry. Oh my god, you have cat hair. I'm sorry, I literally cannot control that. Like, I literally cannot. When I plan to move to a bigger place, I do plan on having an office that he's not ever allowed in because of the cat hair. But you can still attract the cat hair since I live with the cat and it can get on my clothes. So I'm so sorry. Like, trust me, like, I'm not gonna let a shirt filled with cat hair go to you. Of course not. But like, if it's on the poly mailer or in the poly mailer, especially, it happens all the time that it's in the sticky part, the adhesive, I can't control that too much. I try my best, I promise, but I can't really do a lot for it. I wish I could. I really do. 209, 208. So we're gonna put 2.10 ounces. And if there is no 10 and it make me round up, then of course it'd be 3 ounces or something like that. So that's all. What, sexy daddy? Meow. Meow. I'm gonna let you out if I'm done cleaning. Girl, but I gotta make up a thumbnail, so bear with me. Anyway, but if you enjoyed the video, I'd beyond appreciate that. Go ahead and let me know you enjoy it by liking it, because there's no way for me to know you like it besides liking it, and it pushes it through the algorithm, so that's great. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and stick around. I do content of literally all sorts. If there's something in particular that you want to see, please comment, because there's no way for me to know that. And if you're not from here, girl, period. And you see how long my hair get? And say bye to my cat, whore. Bye. Okay, so I'm in the car. All your packages. Okay. All your shipping labels. How long I've been doing this, I already know. Bring the tape with you. I try to rip it my best with my hands. Sometimes it works, it don't. I'm sorry. I understand coronavirus and everything, but technically, they already told y'all to Lysol down your packages, so. Number 17, this is 19. This is 19. Shipping label for 19. 19. For these, they want you to put on the back. package is covered in fucking cat hair. My cat is fucking, I don't know if you even see that. He's shedding. That's why I can't even be mad at him. And hopefully y'all not mad at me. He's shedding into his summer coat. And he's only like 7 months. So this is like new for him and me. So I'm struggling. Like I'm literally brushing him every hour. I went on Google to see if there was anything that I could do to help him with the process. There was like, girl, no. I was like, so, damn. That sucks to literally like, just have to watch your pet. I don't want to say be in pain, because you're not in pain, but be uncomfortable. Let me just, here, I'm tired of fucking doing this. So. 18. There's fucking hair everywhere. Here it is. 20. And then last one, 17. It's the fattest one. Roll.